this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some sardine and some cassava, yuca. So I bought a big pack and I took some and froze it. So I just took this out of my freezer. And so let me start making my cassava and my fried sardines. So I put the water with some salt and it's starting to boil. And I'm just gonna drop my frozen cassava in there. Cover it and let it cook. And let's go on to cutting up my vegetables that I'm gonna fry with my sardines. Because these were already frozen, it's not going to take a long time to cook. So the vegetables, I've got some cut up parsley. These two are habanero pepper. Then these are sweet bell pepper. I have onions, yellow onion. I have some tomato and Maggi cubes. I'm also going to be using some garlic. I'm going to put some crushed pepper in there, red. I'm going to put a little bit of oregano, some salt, and complete Sazon seasoning. So I want my onions a little bit small. This is how I did it, and then I'm just going to go across. So some will be cut up small, and some will be cut up in slices a little bit longer. So you see, half will be like this. And the other half will be like this. I'm going to do the same thing with these, with my tomatoes and the other onion. And this, I'm going to cut one, and the rest, I'm going to keep it whole. So let me cut up all my vegetables I'm going to use, and I'll be back. Okay, the cassava is ready. I'm just going to drain the water and leave a little bit in my pot and keep it covered until my gravy is ready. Okay, so I got my parsley, my green pepper, plus the sweet pepper. The green pepper was the hot one, the tomatoes, onions. And let me open these cans and then we'll start to make my sardine gravy. So I washed the can. And I'm gonna open it. I like the one with oil in it. And just pull it back. So we're gonna use this oil also to fry it. Okay, I have the oil going, and the first thing I'm going to put in there, the onions. that fry about 3 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. I'm putting in my tomatoes. And also my garlic. And I'm not going to season it yet. I'll be back in 10 minutes. I have it between low and medium. It's been 10 minutes, and I'm putting the rest of my vegetables in there. And this one pepper that I left over. I'm going to put the red crushed chili flakes. Now I'm going to start to season it. I'm going to put some of my complete Sardine seasoning. Some oregano, some salt, okay, and my 2 Maggi. Stir it up. I'm going to turn it down a little bit lower and let it continue to fry. When it's time to put in my sardines, I'll be back. Okay, let me start dumping in my sardines. The bone that's in there is very soft, so I don't have to break it up. As I'm stirring it, some of it will break up. This is the last can. So I'm doing 5 cans. I'll put it back up to medium low and then let it fry down. And I'll be back when the food is ready and I take my food. Okay, my sardine gravy is ready. I put my cassava. I'm not that hungry, so I'm just gonna eat a little bit. So let me plate my food. So these are the few pieces of cassava that I took, and I took the stem out. So my cassava and sardine gravy is ready. And if you want to buy this kind, go to Costco. I like it because they don't have that strong scent. Some of the sardines have very strong scent. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so each time I upload, you will be notified. Bye-bye.